Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this video, we will walk you through the essential maintenance steps for your Dyson HS05 hairstyler to ensure it continues to perform at its best. First, let's gather the necessary tools for the job. You'll need a small Phillips screwdriver, a microfiber cloth, some isopropyl alcohol, and a soft brush for dusting. Having these tools ready will make the process smoother. Start by unplugging your Dyson HS05 to ensure safety. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located on the base of the device. Be cautious while doing this, as these screws can be small and easy to misplace. A magnetic tray can be very handy to keep track of them. Once you've removed the screws, gently lift the casing to expose the internal components. This is where you'll want to pay close attention. Use the soft brush to carefully dust off any debris or hair that may have accumulated inside. Remember, cleanliness is key to maintaining optimal performance. If you notice any stubborn residue, dampen a microfiber cloth with isopropyl alcohol and gently wipe the surfaces. Make sure not to saturate any electrical components, as moisture can cause damage. Now, it's time to check the heating element and the fan for any signs of wear or dust buildup. A clean fan ensures proper airflow, which is crucial for maintaining the performance of your styler. If you find that your Dyson HS05 is still not functioning as expected after cleaning, don't worry. We offer a professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert advice on the next steps. After cleaning, carefully reassemble the device, making sure all screws are securely tightened. This is important to ensure that your styler remains safe to use. If you don't have the tools or time for this maintenance, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. You can have your Dyson HS05 serviced without the hassle of calls or travel. Once everything is back in place, plug in your Dyson HS05 and give it a test run. Check for any unusual noises or performance issues. If everything seems to be working well, congratulations! You've successfully maintained your device. However, if you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us for a quote before repair. We are here to help you keep your Dyson HS05 in excellent condition. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.